All right, everybody, Bill back again. Real quick, I wanted to go over this. My wife asked me, well, what about these? And I was like, well, I guess I'll make a quick video on it. So she was inquiring about these extra jaws here, right? How to use them. So we'll start with the metal ones here. So yeah, you can most likely mount them this way if you need to. I'm gonna go ahead and just do it like this for now. So really super simple. Those screws, that bag of screws that the PiBurn grip came with, that's what these are for. So you just put it in here, line it up, okay, screw it in, maybe, just like that. Another one. I'm not going to install all of them because it's going to be the same exact process, right? I just want to show you basically how they work. And that's it. I mean, obviously you would put the third one in, tighten them down all the way, and then, you know, use it however you need. Cool thing about this too is you don't necessarily have to put in all three screws. Like if you need to adjust it a little bit to where it's wider, you can do that. But you definitely want to have a minimum of 2 screws in, so that way you know it's straight and lined up the way it needs to be. And what I mean is, like, if you need to extend it out a little bit further, you can do that. You can go here, right? Put that one screw in. Put the second one in. That way it all stays perfectly lined up. And then that gives you a little bit more flexibility as far as, you know, what you need to attach to it. Now we'll move on to the other ones. The other ones are a little bit different, and I'll show you here how so. Okay. So here's the other ones, right? These are the ones that you'll be using if you're doing like a dog bowl or something wide like that. Now, if you look really close, you see that these holes don't have threads and these ones do, okay? You want the threaded holes to be on the outside of the grip, because if you have them on the inside of the grip, it's going to thread into this and it's going to thread into your grip, and then you have nothing to attach your actual grips to. They're just going to pop in and out, right? So you need to flip that around the other way, like so, and then that's when you start putting in excuse me, all your screws to line it up. And the same thing with the other ones. You know, if you need to extend it out even a little bit further, you can bump it up and you can do that, but you always want to make sure to have at least 2 screws to ensure that it is properly lined up, nice and straight, okay? So there's that one. And then obviously, of course, I can attach my grips because it's threaded out here. And that's it. Obviously, you know, you put the other 2 on there, and then you can open and close it to do your dog bowls. Super easy to do. And then to go back to your original setup, again, just pop these out. Okay. And then all you gotta do is just throw in your grips back in, and you're back to your original setup. So super easy. Just wanted to show that real quick because my wife had asked about it. Well, might as well do a video then. So that is basically it. Any questions? Again, feel free to ask or reach out to the PiBurn guys themselves. They're obviously going to be the experts on it. So that's it. Hope you all have a wonderful day.